Now we are already at lesson 6, and the chapter 1 is to do some introduction to Web3.js. And in lesson 5, our zombie app is now complete, and we have to go to create a website to interact with the app. And so we have to use the JavaScript library, which is Web3.js, which is from the Ethereum Foundations. And the Ethereum network is made up of nodes, and each contain a copy of blockchain. And when you want to call a function on a smart contract, you need to query one of these nodes, and you have to tell the address, functions, and also the variable you have to pass to the functions. And it just speak the language straight on our PC, and this is not human readable, and it's just like this. So we have to use the Web3.js to make it easier. So we have the contract, which is crypto zombies, and we have the methods. And if you go back to the zombie factory, we have the create random zombie. So we call these methods, and we pass the name, and which sent from this address, and we have the guess, and we will explain in details in the later chapters. But first we have to know how to use the Web3.js, and there are a few methods. If you're using React or Next.js or even the Vue JS, you can use the npm yarn to install the Web3. But if you just want to use you can also use the minified JS from the GitHub, and you just need to copy this link and just like a simple web page and just put it in here. It already can call or use this library. And since we don't want to make too many assumptions about your development environment or what package manager you use, so in this tutorial we just simply include the Web3 in our project using the script tag. So we put to the test, and we copy and paste to here, and then click check answer. And we want to replace this,